Hi guys, this is TechTube. Today I'm going to show an app called CamScanner, which can replace the hardware things such as scanner and related to that things. Yeah, using the CamScanner, we can scan a PDF or an image file or a Word file, whatever thing we can scan that, and we can convert it to JPG, which is an image format, and PDF and a Word format. What we want, we can convert it to any format which has. Let's see what the CamScanner have. You can download the CamScanner from the Play Store. It's free of cost. Yeah. First of all, the things on the three dotted icon on the top right corner, which has, we can import the file which we want to scan from the gallery or where we want. We can import the file from the storage. Yeah, that's what that do. And also it has a 200 MB cloud space. We can use it. We can log in the CamScanner and we can use the 200 MB cloud space. And also I'm going to make a demo for you guys. Let's see. Here is the demo. This is the blank card. It may be a visiting card, whatever card you want, you can make it. I'm going to take a clip. That clip which is exactly a CamScanner, which is do like this. You can make a color black and white, whatever you want, you can make it, and you can save that, and you can also share it. We can also share the file. Yeah, I'm going to share like image format. I'm just clicking the image format, and this is the thing we can share using the shareware. And you can also save using these, also save to gallery to make save on the gallery. That's all about the app. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.